It's cracked right there, and you can see how bad it is. So Jesse's gonna replace this. This is a Samsung Chromebook. The screen broke, and now Jesse's popping it off from the inside, huh?
I'm supposed to do it like that.
From the inside? It's already broken anyways, right?
So the screen's already broken, so I think there's something at the back I have to do. Oh, I can just...
see?
This is almost coming off there.
See?
There we go. It's off. And now...
Looks like
it comes with
screws here, huh?
Yeah.
To mold it?
I have to get a small screwdriver. Mm-hmm. Screws off, so now it's easy to lift it out.
4 screws are off, now it's lifted.
Carefully.
Oh, there it is. So that's the
screen connector.
You know how to pop that off?
So I gotta do it gently. Like that. So
oh, wow, tilt.
And I gotta carefully wiggle it slightly like this.
Oh, it's a wiggle and slide. Okay. So this is the replacement screen. Now carefully put there and probably slip it on and mount it. And before we put the bezel, maybe power it up just to make sure it's looking good.
Got the screen here. There it's in, and push it down.
Snapped?
So now it's snapped and secure.
Okay, we'll fold it back real quick. Get it on the screws a little bit. Maybe loosely put them on. What do you think?
I'll loosely
maybe
put
a couple screws.
Yeah.
Just loosely. And then we'll power it up real quick.
This and that only.
Yeah, that way it doesn't move by accident. Just power it up real quick. Just make sure the screen works, and
now we're gonna power it on.
Put the bezel back.
Okay, it's powering on. There. Yep. It's on.
It's working, and it's not cracked. Screws are back on. Now pop the bezel on.
Now I'm gonna pop the bezel back on.
Now this is where you gotta be careful, right?
Yeah.
Not too much pressure around the bezel, because if you put too much pressure, you break your screen.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So I'm supposed to push in the middle like that. Carefully, do it gentle.
Just on the edge. Yep.
See, I push it gentle. It's the edge.
Wait. See?
That's the most difficult part.
See how you do that? Because now you have a flat surface to push against.
There we go.
Now it's powered back on, and the magic is working. Great job. Thanks for watching.